This is our dream of division, split apart in fragments we enter into this world, the birth of matter. Matter is the mother, and the mother is the essence of creation.
A moral compass was built and buried a part of our nature deep underground, into the shadow of shame, where the original sin has become a cross we bear in denial of our nature.
Where we live not as creators of our story, but victims of a story told.
I am all of the shadows cast in our world. I am what is thrown to the wayside, cast away, denied, condemned, forgotten. All of the blame, all of the pain, all of the shame, everything that has been buried in the deep crevice of the psyche. Will you let me be here? Can you hear me? Can you feel me? All the things we fear are the things that we crave the most in the core of our being, because that is where we allow ourselves to dream. That is where we access our true creative potential.
Our true creative power.
What is the enemy to the core? How do we silence all of the noise? What is this hungry beast in our world, systemic cycle that operates solely off the fact that we have rejected in ourselves all that we've been given? There is so much noise, it becomes a static echo coming from a place of lack that generates an endless hunger inside of our hearts. The core is a call to motion. Shame, the lingering dispute that a heart swallows whole. What moves the soul is not denial, but an all-encompassing recapitulation of everything.
What happens if we let it all through? Will we fly? With wings no longer tethered, bound or broken in the limits of our fragmentation.
The soul has wings, obviously. We can begin again with the slate washed all over, born anew.
The love that lives within the soul is real. Together, we can resolve it. When we have reunited, the soul takes flight. Can you feel me? Can you come full circle, a thread that weaves all the way through? The eye of the needle, an act of completion, the final dream made true. All creatures have their birth in this scattered world pulled apart. We are in denial. To come back together again and know the love that lives within the soul is true. Make it real.